history of KitKat in just a short while? The KitKat bar, with its crispy wafer interior and smooth chocolate exterior, is a beloved treat for millions around the world. But I bet you think you know all there is to know about this iconic candy. Think again, because today we're going to peel back the layers and uncover the real, lesser-known history of KitKat. Many of us think of KitKat as just a simple chocolate bar, something we grab off the shelf without a second thought. But that's exactly what we're going to challenge today. Its history is much richer and more complex than you might imagine. The story of KitKat isn't just about chocolate and wafers, it's about innovation, marketing genius, and a dash of serendipity. The common misconception that KitKat is just a straightforward candy is exactly what we're here to debunk. The origins of KitKat are rooted in something entirely different from what we know today. You see, it all started with a company called Rowntree's, which initially introduced a bar called the Chocolate Crisp. This was back in the 1930s in the UK. The Chocolate Crisp quickly gained popularity, but little did anyone know that its journey was just beginning. Rowntree's experimented with various flavors and textures, laying the groundwork for what would eventually become the KitKat we know and love. The name change to KitKat came later, under different ownership. When Nestle acquired Rowntree's, the bar underwent significant changes, including its iconic renaming. But KitKat's story doesn't stop there. Over the decades, it has undergone numerous marketing shifts and innovations. Take, for instance, the introduction of the four-finger bar, which became a game-changer in terms of both taste and convenience. And let's not forget the regional differences, like the Matcha and Sakura KitKats in Japan, which showcase the brand's adaptability and creativity. One pivotal moment in KitKat's history was its break campaign, which not only solidified its identity but also became a cultural phenomenon. The campaign cleverly positioned KitKat as the perfect snack to take a break with, resonating with audiences worldwide. This wasn't just a marketing gimmick, it marked a significant shift in how the brand was perceived and enjoyed. In summary, the journey of KitKat from its humble beginnings as the chocolate crisp to its current status as a global phenomenon is a fascinating story. It's a tale of innovation, strategic marketing, and a bit of luck. KitKat's history mirrors broader changes in confectionery and marketing, making it more than just a chocolate bar, it's a cultural icon. So, what's your favorite KitKat flavor or memory? Share it with us in the comments below. And if you're as intrigued as I am by the stories behind everyday items, be sure to subscribe for more deep dives in